Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. The topic for today is CSS tables. We have seen in the previous tutorial how to create table in HTML, but we haven't seen how to style it. So styling of table is done with the help of CSS. So we can give the border, we can do the hovering effect, we can add the padding, we can add the margins. It depends on what is our requirement for the table. So I have created some examples for you to understand how the table border works, how the table padding works. Border is used to give the border to the table. For the padding to add the space between the content and the border, we use table padding. Then we have horizontal dividers that come in the bottom after each line, after each row which you create. We will practice all this by coding the program. Then we have the hovering also for the table, so that you take your mouse over some particular row, it is going to change the color if you specify the color changing. That's the program which was written. I'll go to Sublime and practice it for you. Now I have created a table which we have seen in the previous tutorials how table is to be created. Now we will do the CSS part to style it. So I'll write table comma th comma td. TD is for table heading, table data. Now I'll give it border. So border we can consider I'll give 3 pixels. We can give solid or we can give dashed. I'll give red for now. I'm randomly taking the red color. I'll refresh this. You can see the red color border is here. You can change the number to, you can change this to pink. We can change this to 1. Let's see. So it changed to what we have specified. Now let's go to the next program. Now we will see how padding is added in the table. So I've created a big table. Now we are going to do the padding. It is used to create space between the border and the content. First we will do the border part. Sorry, solid blue. Now we will do the text alignment. Let's keep it left. Now we are going to do the collapse part. You are going to do the border collapsing. We want it to collapse, right? So we just write border collapse is collapse, and width we want it to cover the screen, so I'll give 100%. Now we are going to do the padding. Padding is for table heading and the data also. TD. I'll give as a padding 20 pixel. Let's save it and let's run it. This is the simple table. When we do the styling, this is how it comes. The color is not visible. Let me change the, okay, I forgot the semicolon. Padding is there, the borders are there. Everything is visible the way we wanted it to be. The space is correct. It is on the left side. So all the properties which we have applied in the table are working really well. Now we can do the bottom divider and the hovering part. Table is created. The work is in the styling. First we will do the collapsing part. Now TH and TD. In this you will add padding. I'll give padding 10 pixels. Then I'll give alignment as the left side the way it was earlier. Now we will create border just for the bottom. So I'll do border bottom 3 pixels solid blue. Now we will do the hovering part. So when we hover over the row, so we write tr:hover. So when we are hovering over the row, we want the background color to be blue. Let's save it and let's execute it. Okay, the border is also blue, so I'll make this as pink. Let me save this and let's execute. So when we hover over it, you can see how the color is changing, and we can specify which border we want, the bottom, the top, whatever side you want. So it is specified using the word bottom because we have done for bottom now, and we have done the hovering on the particular rows. When we hover over it, the color for the row changes. Hope it is clear for everyone. Thank you so much.